first day after Christmas, my true love and I had a fight. And so I chopped the pear tree down and burned it just for spite. Then with a single cartridge, I shot that blasted partridge. My true love, my true love, my true love gave to me. The second day after Christmas, I pulled on the old rubber gloves and very gently wrung the necks of both the turtle doves. My true love gave to me. The third day after Christmas, my mother caught the croup. I had to use the 3 French hens to make some chicken soup.
Four corn birds were a big mistake, for their language was obscene.
Wow.
The 5 golden rings were completely fake, for they turned my fingers green.
The 6th day after Christmas, the 6 laying geese wouldn't lay. So I gave the whole darn gaggle to the ASPCA.
On the 7th day, what a mess I found. All 7 of the swimming swans had drowned.
My true love, my true love, my true love gave to me. The 8th day after Christmas, before they could suspect, I bundled up the 8 maids a milking, 9 pipers piping, 10 ladies dancing, 11 lords a leaping, 12 drummers drumming.
Wait, guys.
What?
Well, actually, I kept one of the dancers.
You did? That's great.
I don't approve of that.
What?
Hey, did you get me one?
No.
Let's see, that makes sense.
8 maids a milking, 9 pipers piping, 9 ladies dancing, 11 lords a leaping, 12 drummers drumming, and sent them back collect. I wrote my true love, we are through love.
And I said, in so many words,
Furthermore, your Christmas gifts were for the bird, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.